Did you subscribe to Tech with Utkarsh YouTube channel? Oops, I forget, not yet, but I'm going to soon subscribing him. Yeah, he's a good YouTuber. I know, he's struggling now, but he's good. Hello and welcome guys, my name is Utkarsh. You guys watching my YouTube channel Tech with Utkarsh. So in today's video, I'm just gonna teach you how to make animations of cartoon in Android device. So don't wasting your time, let's get started. Before starting my video, I just want to tell you, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe me and also hit the bell icon. So guys, this is a full tutorial video. I hope you want to be enjoyed, and if you love and or enjoyed the video, or this video is helpful only for one person for you, so please you make sure that you subscribe. So first of all, the first step to make animation video from your Android device of cartoon videos, you have to go to Play Store and search for an app named Buddypoo. I make the animation which is played in starting of this video with the help of this app. When you search it for the very first time, you got this app for the very first page. So to save your time, I already downloaded it. So I just want to give you full tutorial video, so I'm going to declare the data of this app, so I'm able to teach you step by step from the beginning. So I'm clearing data of this app in front of you guys. So I just cleared data of this app. I'm opening Buddypoo for the very first time because I just remove all the data of this app. When you open for the very first time, you got this. Then you have to first click on appearance, done, and make your own character. I'm choosing new male avatar. Randomly I choose him. Now I will adjust him. Everything is already fine. I don't need to adjust, but still I am adjusting to show you guys. And all the modes, they are very awesome modes are available in this app. So I hope this avatar will be fine for this video. So I'm clicking OK, save appearance, next. Then I click on any empty box and my avatar has been saved. Now for videos, I have to click on this video button, then two avatar. One avatar is my which I created just now, and second avatar I have to choose. I am choosing this curve. Now there are many modes are available, so I'm choosing flirty. And if you want to make your own background, for example, you want to click any background right now, so you can click on snapshot. If you have any background, so click on album. If you don't need any background and want any background which is available in this app, you can click on this catalog button. Then you have to choose your background. I just click on OK. As soon as you click, your screen going to be rotated like mine is just rotated, and here you can get many emotions right there. So you can choose many emotions like kissing and a lot more. So, and for video, when you click on this left side button, then the girl speak. When you click on the right side button, then boy speak. When you click on this middle button, then they both speak. And here you can adjust the zoom, and this is very good. I also give the video but the thing come how to create video. When you click on this red button, video is going to be becoming. So when you click on this, here is not showing, but in video the emotions are going to be shown. Like when you click on this right side button, he going to speak. When you click on this both button, they both going to speak. Here you can add the zoom, you can add features. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, so please make sure like and subscribe my YouTube channel.